A sharp jawline is probably one of the most apparent features that most people notice on your face. A square, muscular jawline is preferred for males, while a soft, feminine, almost V-shaped jawline is preferred for females. But if you have tried n number of jawline exercises and still not getting the chiseled jawline that you've always wished for, this video is for you. So what are the components of jawline first? Let's start from superficial to deep. The superficial most is the skin. As a result of bad lifestyle habits like smoking or unhealthy diet, or as a result of age, the collagen and elastin, which are the natural building blocks of your skin, tends to deplete. And as a result of this, our skin tends to sag. And this is seen as an undefined jawline. So whole idea is to produce collagen naturally, either through energy-based devices like radio frequency, microfocus ultrasound, even lasers, or through using threads or dermal fillers. The second component is the muscle or the SMAS layer. Microfocus ultrasound acts as the SMAS layer, and it literally shakes a body to produce more collagen and firms and tones the skin. Then are the structures that surrounds the jawline. It could be the cheek, it could be your chin, it could be your neck, because jawline is not an isolated structure. It is present in conjunction with these structures. So a little bit of cheek lift, a little bit of chin elongation with the help of dermal fillers and Nefertiti neck lift using botox can also give sharper appearance to your jawline. And the last and the most important is the fat present underneath the chin, which we medically call as submental fat, and you commonly know that as double chin. It is a horrendous problem, quite troublesome for most of us. It can be part of your genetic makeup or could be because of weight gain. So reducing body fat, reducing salt intake in your diet helps. But at Influennz, we have devised a special treatment for this known as LipoSlim. It's a US FDA approved treatment in which these lipolytic injections are injected into the fat layer, and it literally dissolves the fat because it forms a complex with the fat, which is then eliminated from your body. The results can be seen from the first session itself, but it's a good idea to take 3 to 4 sessions 1 month apart in order to get the best of best results. So what are you waiting for? Get a chiseled and defined jawline today. Till the time, be beautiful, be influential.